Hello, everyone. It's finally time that I introduce myself a little bit to you, um, that I talk a little bit about my work. Maybe you have seen already some of the videos. I hope so. If not, go back and educate yourself. There is a lot of things out there. As I said, my name is Martina. Originally, I'm from Germany, now living in Croatia, and for years already, I'm working with animals, also humans, and very often it's a combination. In first place, I'm an alternative medical practitioner. That's the knowledge part of what I have to offer. So I did study anatomy, physiology, pathology, so knowing about all the illness and diseases, not all of them, but quite a bit of them. And I'm using a very, very unique and innovative method, which is called the neurological integration system. I don't want to dive too deep into it. Maybe some of you know what bioresonance therapy is, and you can compare it to bioresonance therapy, but I don't need any device. My body picks up on the energy, and here comes the next thing that I do. I'm a medical intuitive and soul communicator. So I'm tapping into the energy of the patient, the client, the pet, the human, and get the frequencies, and then I can test on my body getting the response from my patient or client. So I can work over distance no matter where in this universe you are, and now everything comes together using this method that enables the brain to take back control over the physical body. So anything, pain, illness, disease, is stagnant energy and an area where the brain lost control. So there is a lot of pressure on our physical bodies, like toxins, things we are eating, things we are drinking, the air that we are breathing, but also emotional stuff going on, and all of that puts a burden on our physical bodies and let our cells release toxins. These toxins are harmful, and when they're adding up and continuously releasing toxins, mostly related to stress, then we have symptoms followed by illness and disease. And I can work on that and help the brain to take back control so that the physical body feels easing the pain, and everything is much better connected. You might have better sleep, better digestion, less pain, osteoarthritis, even epilepsy can be worked on. So even the brain is an area where I can access and restore health in the best possible way. Now the wisdom part, the intuitive part that I'm using is that I don't put in any ego. So I'm not accessing where you tell me, okay, this is my problem or this is my pet's problem. But I will always start at the beginning of my protocols, and whatever comes up will be worked on. Only after we have gone through everything and symptoms might still be there, then I can go to the symptom and look from there. But as we don't know how things are connected, it's segment anatomy. At the end, every cell is connected to each other. We have no clue where to look. And looking at the area of concern, let's say I have knee pain. What does the doctor do? Look at your knee. Does it make sense? Maybe. Mostly not, really. Can be something totally different. And that's what I can find out with this method. This is a perfect tool to diagnose and integrate at the same time. I'm trying to interpret and translate the results to you, but only on a surface level. Other than you are educated, then I'm happy to explain all of that to you. Plus, then I connect further to the soul and I get informations from the animal about what they need, any medication they might need, any other procedure they might need, any special food, anything that might be relevant. Connections in the relationship, maybe things they had gone through. I can also test for a lack of vitamins, minerals. So it's a whole package looking at the bigger picture of physical body, emotional. Then we have a too much or a lack of something, a not perfect combination of food, or not the perfect food at all, plus the relationship between you and the pet or other pets. And all of that gives me the bigger picture. Sometimes I even need to work with you as the caretaker, because maybe it's a message that the pets are holding for you, only showing it, taking it over to show you what's wrong in your life. Sometimes they do it just to support you. Like our previous dog, when my husband had some injury, the dog started limping. This is what they do. But this is what we can find out about. Is it really about the pet? Or is it in the relationship a message or something they want to help us with? So I hope that gave you some insights of what I do, how I work. Can't wait for your questions. Please drop down anything that comes to your mind. I'm happy to answer. Hi Jen, nice to see you. Thank you. This is all confusing to me, so I'm not able to text back right now. Drop your questions. I'm here and happy to answer everything. Listen to all the other replays, download my free ebook, and I can't wait to meet you, maybe on a free reading. Catch the chance and book your free reading. I am here, and let's create miracles for your pets and yourself, because don't forget, they are so close, and when they don't feel well, we don't feel well. It's just like that. Thank you everyone, and thank you for being in my group.